Hi you guys, I'm back with another video. So you can see that I'm back with another one. So today I'm going to be making slime. So we're going to be using shampoo. So I already poured it in here. I'm going to start stirring it. Oh man, not slow. Okay. Keep on stirring it. Okay. And I'm going to take the spoon out. Okay. You see that? Touch it. See, so we're going to put this into the refrigerator. So let's get started. Boo. We're going to see this in the refrigerator. So you guys, it's in the freezer right now. And y'all see that I'm back. So let's just wait just put it in for 45 minutes. And then when it like forms, I'm going to tell y'all. So let's just wait for that 45 minutes, okay? Okay. So you guys, y'all see I'm back. I don't feel like taking it out right now. And it's not 45 minutes yet, but I just want to watch TV. So when it starts forming and it's not forming, put it back in the freezer for another 4 to 5 minutes, okay? Another 4 or 5 minutes is, I'm in 3rd grade. Come on, that's me. 90 minutes. Put it in for 90 minutes, okay? Alright. So, yeah. Okay, make sure you hit this thing 1,000 likes, 1,000 viewers, and 1,000 subscribers. So, hit thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe.